Well, hey there, boys, eh? Captain Chive is back for another unboxing of the Chive Box, eh? So, this bad boy just showed up here in the mail. The Chive Box. And as you all know, or maybe you don't, I'm Captain Chive. I do the unboxings of the Chive here for the Canada. And today, we got the January's Chive Box in the mail. So, we are going to unbox this beauty for you and let you know exactly what we got and what's in this baby right here. Now, for those of you who don't know about the Chive, it is a amazing app and also company that does, their app has all kinds of random awesomeness in it. It's got pictures of hotties, pictures of funny shit. It's just got videos, pictures. It's amazing. And then they also have a clothing line. So they've got like all kinds of t-shirts and basically tons of wicked stuff. Now the best part of all this is that their mascot is none other than Bill fucking Murray. Yeah. So if you like Bill Murray, you're gonna love the Chive. Now the great thing about the Chive Box is that every single month they will send you a Chive Box. Now it costs $65 US per month for the Chive Box. Now that does include the shipping, but it is freaking amazing because you get a ton more value than $65 US. Now it works out to be about $88 Canadian, but still, totally worth it. I mean, whoa, just value. So let's jump right in and get this baby unboxed. All right, so as you can see, she's a nice box here. Oh, the cape gives me the power for the unboxing and also makes me super goddamn hot in my studio, so. Whew. Anyways, hey, for those of you who don't know, brand new Chive shirt, That's right. It's like Run DMC style. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the cool shit that they got. So if you're not part of it, if you're not subscribing, subscribe to the Chive Box. Details will be in description below, where you'll have a link to the chivery where you can subscribe to the Chive Box and just check out all the other cool stuff they got. But I am freaking excited, so let's get this bad boy opened and see what the heck we got this month. And once again, January. Boom. Here we go. Well, let's roll. Boom. Got the Chive Box, gonna open up the Chive Box. And for those of you who are not also following me on the TikTok, it is also Techies N Teslas, and I have got a ton of funny shit on there as well. So if you haven't followed me yet on the TikTok, you're definitely gonna wanna do that because we got some pretty amazing stuff on there, so. All right, here we go, you ready? First opening. All right. Well, let's see what we got here. Let's begin, shall we? All right, first thing. Oh, cool, okay. So we got this cool thing. Just get rid of the box over here because we don't need the Chive Box anymore. Oh, my bad. Okay, it's okay. All right, so. Oh, it's a backpack. Oh, KCCO backpack. And for those of you who are new, KCCO, keep calm, chive on. It's kind of like their motto, their mantra. So, we got ourselves here a backpack, but what is in the backpack? That is the question. So we're gonna start here with some pockets. Nothing in the zipper pocket in the front. Nothing in the side pocket. Nothing in the other side pocket. Nothing in the back. Yeah. Let's take off this little buckle here. Oh, let's reach inside. There's some goodies here. All right, so every time you get your box and you open it, you're gonna get one of these. Now, this is the card which tells you exactly what is inside of this month's Chive Box. So on the back, they do have a ton of stuff. You're not gonna quite see that yet. So they do have this, and then it tells you everything. So what I can tell you right now is right away, it says $105 value. Now that's US. So when you're thinking that it only costs $65 US to buy this and you're getting 105, boom, instant value. Do it. So let's do this and let's start rolling in here. I'm gonna pull out one item at a time. All right, and I'm gonna put this off to the side here. All right, so that, you know, you don't have to see everything, but you still will see everything. So, all right, here we go. So, first item I pull out is, okay, something to do with, looks like a sleeve phone holder. So I'm gonna glance over here to what we have. So obviously we had the KCCO backpack. Let's see here, to carry around all your awesome chive stuff, obviously, because, you know, represent. So what this would be is a KCCO Stripes water bottle sleeve. So the perfect extension for your water bottle. Your water bottle can fit inside, helps keep your drink cold, but also you can also put all kinds of other cool stuff in it. If you have a smaller phone, that'll fit right in there. Your wallet, little cards will fit in there. And of course it has the KCCO logo. Sweet. So we have the KCCO Stripes water bottle sleeve. Very nice. And I'll reach in. Here we go. Ah. Woohoo. All right. So here, as you can see, we have a KCCO water bottle. So good to always, you know, stay hydrated. I'm just reading what it says on theirs. If you live 2019 like they did at the Chive HQ, peppering some water every often is definitely the best. So drink a couple of these a day. So awesome. See, Chive, always thinking about your well-being, you know, making sure you're staying hydrated. So yeah, nice water bottle. Smells like stainless steel. Good. And you don't necessarily need to only put water in here. You could really put, you know, anything you want. So, super cool water bottle. Reaching back into the bag of the goodies. And it looks like our last item. Tear. Ooh, clothing, my fave. All right, so we have got something here of the clothing. What do we have? Oh, I know exact beast mode. This is a Buy Me Brunch hoodie. So Buy Me Brunch being one of their series. And oh, it's got the nice fleece on the inside. So she's a super soft. So yeah, oh, nice. That's gonna be comfy. And yeah, very cool. Check it out, huh? Oh, I know what I'm wearing later today. Oh yeah, so yeah, there we go. So today's Chive box came with 4 packages. We got the Buy Me Brunch hoodie. We've got the KCCO backpack to carry everything in. We have the KCCO water bottle or beverage bottle. You can put anything in this bad boy. And then we've got the water bottle sleeve, which you can also put other items in. So nice, another great month for January. Thank you, Chive. You guys always rock it. And I'm so glad every time I get some clothing because I love to wear my Chive goods. So sweet unboxing, y'all. Thank you, Chive. You guys rock. And for all of you that want to subscribe to the Chive box, check out the link in my description below for the chivery. It'll take you right to it. As well, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Techies N Teslas to stay up to date with all of our YouTube videos. We do an unboxing every single month of the chiviness and the Chive box because it comes every month. It's like my birthday every single month. And also check out my TikTok at Techies N, as in letter N, Teslas, for the Tiki of the Talkie because it's freaking awesome. Thank you, everybody. We shall see you again next month for another grand unboxing. And Chive, love y'all motherfuckers. You my faves. Later.